everybody. I sincerely hope that all is well with you and you're ready for today's lesson. And in this lesson, I'm going to talk about useful idioms you should know in order to sound like a native speaker. As usual, I'm going to talk about food idioms again. And for each idiom, I will give you its meaning and I will use it in a sentence to explain it. Without more ado, let's get into it. Idiomatic expressions are an important part of everyday English. They come up all the time in both written and spoken English. As you know, idioms do not always make sense literally, as you cannot translate them from one word to another. Deep down, you will need to familiarize yourself with the meanings and the usage of each idiom. However, if you are committed, you are going to succeed because idioms are fun to learn. Well, let's get our first idiom, which is apple of your eye. It means someone who is very important to you and you are fond of him or her. Let's get an example. I was the apple of my mom's eye. Move on to our second idiom, which is in apple pie order. It means very tidy, neat, or well organized. Let's get an example as well. His house is always in apple pie order. Well, move on to our third idiom, which is spill the beans, which means to tell a secret or to reveal a secret. Let's get an example. He is sure to spill the beans before long. And finally, bread and butter, which means a person's main source of income or livelihood. Let's get an example as well. Teaching and business are my bread and butter. Well, my dears, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Watch until the end. Give a like, share, and comment, because this might be the only way to help and assist me to continue doing content. As well, do not forget to watch the next episode, which will be part 4, in order to augment your food idioms. Thanks for studying today, and I hope wherever you are having a great day. Bye.